Okay guys, so I'm getting ready now. Not like hair wise, because I have a plan for that. And since it's technically not show week, I'm not gonna wear my glasses that my character wears, because I'm a server and I don't want to wear blue light glasses, because, well, they're fake. Well, they're not fake, they're blue light, so they could help with looking at computers and stuff. But I'm gonna review choreography, and maybe I'll do a little time lapse on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm ready. I'm pretty sure last time I'm ready. But I'm pretty sure last time I worked at this gala, I kept on saying I look like a penguin. I think I have a whole picture of the thing. Hold on. Here's the picture. Yeah, that is crazy, guys. But that's my life. Yeah, I was 15 last time I did it. Now, yeah, even though a lot of people say I don't look like my age. So, whenever I was in Shakespeare, two people, like, they asked what my age was, and I'm like, I was 16 at the time. And it's funny because one was like, oh, I thought you were 18. And the other one was like, oh, I thought you were like 14, I think. Which is crazy to me. But I guess that means I have a good age range for acting. I don't know. But yeah, that's my life. I'm gonna warm up, review some choreography. Hamilton. Why do you assume you're the smartest in the room? Why do you assume you're the smartest in the room? Student attitude may be your doom. And yeah, probably warm up to some Hamilton at least, because yeah. Okay guys, so it's time to run the High School Musical choreography. Bear with me. I am learning to dance. I promise you. Yeah, I need to hairspray this. But yeah, because this one's more crunchy than this. But yeah, anyways, let's get this going. Good soup. Actually, no, that's a dumb question. You can't sip on soup with the straw. I mean, you can, but it might just burn your mouth more, right? Yeah, but anyways, I'm ready for... yeah, I'm about to have more vitamins, so I'll get that in there. And yeah, we're good. I just need my back and everything. Yeah, then we're ready. Okay guys, so I might be getting my, what is it called? Drone out. I'm gonna get my drone out. I'm so ecstatic, guys. You don't understand. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna fly it, and I'm gonna see what stuff can be like videoed. Okay guys, so I got this out, the controller, and I got the drone. Let's fly this thing, shall we? We shall. Oh yeah, we shall. Okay, it's right there. Let me level it. Yeah, looky there. Soft landing, guys. Let's go. Maybe not. So, I think I lost my drone already. Darn. I'm gonna call my dad. Yay. Drone lost. Let's go. So, it got in my neighbor's yard. Hopefully they understand that, I didn't mean to get my drone stuck in their yard. But, that's my life, I guess. Hey, but this time I won't actually be clickbaiting you guys. I got my drone stuff. This is no bueno. This is no bueno, guys. This is not good at all. What? Okay, guys, little update. The drone is back in my hands now. Yeah. It's been an eventful couple weeks, and I'm glad that this vlog is hopefully entertaining you guys. But yeah, the drone is back. It was up a 30 feet tree, I think. Yeah, it's quite crazy. I bought heels. Shoot. Sadly.